In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your text larger on your iPhone. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to head to your iPhone settings. Now when you go to your iPhone settings, now tap on what they call display and brightness. So when you tap on display and brightness, scroll down and look for something called display zoom right here. So you tap on display zoom, and then by default it is in this mode right here, the default port. So if you really want to make the text larger on your iPhone, you can really see that this preview right here, it actually shows you that on the left hand side, this side, the text are a little bit larger compared to this one on the right. Okay, so you just tap right here, okay, on the larger text option, and then you tap on done. So when they show you done, then you tap on use zoomed, okay, and then the phone a little bit restarts for a few, then comes back, and then you tap on just that. Okay, so it restarts a little bit, then you're done. When you come back, you notice that a little bit your text get a little bit larger compared to what was previously there. Okay, so that's how you make your text larger on your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel if you really like this video, if you pick value in this video.